Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. I have a great moisturizer for your skin. This is the Bliss Drench and Quench. It's a cream to water hydrator, and this leaves my skin feeling moisturized all day. I also use it at night before I go to bed, and my skin feels moisturized when I wake up. So the way you use this is you massage onto clean skin for 30 seconds for instant hydration. And you can see here how it's cream in the bottle, and as soon as I put it on my hands, it does turn to water. So I really like this. I've noticed a difference in my skin. I've noticed that it is softer, that it is not as dry, especially during the cooler months. My skin can tend to dry out, but I don't have that problem when I use this product. And I also like that it is vegan and cruelty free. So if you're looking for a great moisturizer that isn't going to break you out, and it also has a really great scent to it. It's not overpowering. It's a very clean scent. Then I highly recommend this one from Bliss, but that's just my point of view.